Currently, we're implementing laser engraving and cutting equipment into our schools.
This is an amazing machine. We just got it here recently and really impressed with the quality, the durability. So we have a precision ag class that we use all of our different types of CNC machines. We have a metal cutting, a wood router, and now this laser. And we teach the students all the different versions of the software, trying to equip them for a career in that area.
We're such a small school, we don't really have a huge technology program. And then being able to see, hey, I can use these computers, I can use the vectors and all of that to make a file and then put it into a machine. They're seeing that connection between their technological side and the mechanical side, and that they can do hands-on things. So they're able to take it and turn it into a trade.
This is a very user-friendly machine compared to the others that we have.
The classes that we have is called Consumer Services. It's like entrepreneurship. And so we open a small store and we do custom products.
Just another opportunity for one kid to find something that they're interested in and hopefully make a career out of it.
The kids are very excited about working with the program to see the fruits of their labor, what they can create. It's amazing.
Honestly, it's a really cool machine. I can't wait to get to use it in my classroom.
We're really excited. This is a great addition to our program, and we are excited for the students to get the opportunity to use it and learn from it.
What you can do with this machine, the possibilities are unlimited.